Okay, hi everyone. I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. So it has been a really long time. I think it's been a year now almost that I have not posted on YouTube, but I've been super active on Instagram. I just wasn't feeling it, and I was going through some hard depression times, so I just didn't want to do it. So, but right now, I'm feeling a lot better and I am more motivated and I'm super excited and I want to do these more often. So please let me know if you guys love these and if they help you, because it always makes me happy if they help you guys. Okay, so today we are going to do all one brand products, Too Faced products. I really like Too Faced. So I'm just going to share the products that I love from them and do like a full face using Too Faced. So, and then the foundation I'm going to use from Too Faced is Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Love this stuff. It's medium to full coverage, oil-free, and I think on the box it said that it is for drier skin. So I've only been using this during the winter time because my skin gets really dry. And when I use during the summer, I use the, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I really like this for during the summer because it keeps me matte. But during the winter, I was all scaly. It was gross. So this is when I tried Too Faced and I really like this. I want to know what you guys think about how would you feel if I did a live on Instagram. Would you like it? Would you not like it? Let me know what you think, because I've considered doing a live on Instagram and then just posting this video on YouTube from the live. So, or would you rather just come to my YouTube video or my YouTube channel and watch it from there? It really does match my skin once I blend it all out. And usually, if you've seen my past videos, I would be working at a desk or I was at my vanity desk doing my makeup. But while I was trying to get ready for this video, my box light, one of them broke. And I need both of them so I can have even lighting on both sides. So I'm gonna have to get a new light so I can use both of them. I can't just use one. So I'm just in my bathroom right now with my ring light up against the mirror in here, but it doesn't seem too bad. The lighting seems actually really good right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my brows real quick, just because when I do my brows, I like to be able to, if I mess up anywhere and I clean them up with concealer, I like to be able to easily do it without the powder set on my face. It's harder to do it with the powder set already on my face. So I wait and I go to my brows. So Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. That's what I'm gonna be using right now. I just bought a Wet n Wild pencil and it's so good, I love it. So I'm just gonna real quick. I am going to clean these suckers up real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna put some tinted brow gel on. So now that I cleaned up my brows, now I'm going to go in and use the powder to kind of set my face, because I won't need to be using concealer anymore. So I am using the Too Faced Erytheo powder. I do like this stuff. So I usually don't use a lot of powder, really. I've kind of tried to hold back on it. And basically I just try to use it under my eyes for the creases. And like on my eyelids, and then you'll have easier application to put on eyeshadow. I usually just let it go all natural on my face. I don't put too much. Since the foundation is a little bit more like for dry skin, during the day sometimes I do get a little bit more oily, and then I just go in and use the powder and touch up my face with the powder if I need to. Or I just don't, and I just pat my face with like a napkin or something. Okay, so now onto the eyes. What I'm going to be using is the Too Faced, what is this palette called? Too Faced, A Girl's Best Friend. That's what it is. Too Faced, A Girl's Best Friend eyeshadow palette. I like this one a lot. I love using this one. Okay, so the brush that I'm using is the Morphe Y17. Love this brush. Go get it. So what I like to take in the crease to start out is Chihuahua, which is right here. And tap it off and put it in my crease. And then I'll build it up. Okay, and today I'm just going to go for a light and airy, simple look today. So put that color on both of my eyes. And then I'm going to go into Cuddle Buddy, which is right here. It's like a purple brown. It's so pretty. And I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to put it more on the tip of the brush, the color. And then I'm just going to focus it in the crease bottom part to darken that up. I feel like this palette is very doable to learn how to use, and it's very user-friendly because of all of the colors in here. Of course, there are some really good colorful colors, very bright, but other than that, I think it's a good palette to use. So I'm just going to deepen this up until I get it as dark as I would like it. Finish with that, and then what I'm going to do is, this is like my favorite color in here to use, which is the Cuteness Overload, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm just going to put it on the inner corners of the eye. Can you see why I like this palette? Oh, I use it all the time. I love it. It's so versatile and so pretty. Okay, so that was just super easy to do. 3 colors, 1 brush. That's it. So, really easy. And I will make sure to link everything down below so that you guys could easily find it. It's just so easy. Okay, so next thing that I do is I move on to the face, and I'm going to do, I know, I do a weird out of order. It just kind of does. I don't know. This is just what I do. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. It smells really good. If you've seen my past videos, I've used this like all the time. It's just so creamy and so blendable. And I'm just adding a little bit of color on my face. I forgot to mention, this is the Too Faced Mr. Right brush that I use for my powder. I forgot to mention that. And to let you guys know, they are coming out with the Mr. Right brush set for eyes. And I'm super excited because I really like this brush, and I'm really curious to see how well the brushes work, because I love my Morphe brushes, but I don't know. I'm really excited. I'll have to let you guys know if I get the brushes or not. Okay, so next thing I'm going to use is the Real Techniques, this brush. I like to use it for highlighter. So I'm going to do I'm going to use the Cuteness Overload and just dip it in with that brush and use it as a highlight. It's not going to be super bright like on my Anastasia ones, but they're going to give me a little bit of, you know, pop on the cheekbone. Just a natural. Then I'm going to put it on my nose. Now onto lashes. I'm just going to pop my lashes on real quick. Okay, all done with my eyes. Isn't it so pretty? Didn't take very long. Only like, this would probably take me about 15 minutes to do. On my timer it says 27 minutes, but that's probably because I'm stopping and talking to you guys. So I'm just going to use this Tarte lip gloss. I don't know what color it is in. I have tried to find this color and because I love this color. It's my favorite. It's like running out, but I just don't want to give it up. All done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that maybe I can start doing like really quick, easy eye makeup so that you can look amazing and love your eyeshadow and feel confident about it, especially when it's just like a 3-step process for your eyeshadow. That just makes it so easy. And I can do a tutorial on how I put on my lashes because those take probably like less than 3 minutes to put on. The longest part is waiting for the glue to like be tacky enough to put on your eyelids. So other than that, it doesn't take very long. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye.